Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Ika. For those of you who are new to my channel, I do a lot of content about making money online. I really go out of my way to find these companies for you guys. So just in case that is the kind of content that you want, you can feel free to go through my channel to see the different work from home jobs that I discovered. If they are expired, depending on the ones that you want, you can always subscribe so that you can get new updates when they arrive. Now, moving on to the next job opportunity. So this next company is called Optimate, and you can apply if you are basically anywhere, especially in the Caribbean. Guys, here it is. Yes, we hire from all over Latin America, Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, and beyond. So, guys, when you come, you're going to go ahead and click on apply as a worker. The power of working remote. So, work online with flexible hours, payment in USD every 2 weeks. You work flexibly, whether it is part time or full time, advance your international career. And for persons who really want to go overseas, I think it is a good chance for you to apply, get some international work experience that you can really put on your resume. So let's see, you will gain valuable international work experience for a US or European company and deepen your skill sets. That is basically what I was speaking about a while ago. Guaranteed payments, quality clients, and it is not the clients that they pair you with that will pay you. It is the company themselves that will pay you. So Optimate will pay you, so your payment is guaranteed. Take your work anywhere, even when you're on vacation. So let me go ahead, apply as a worker. All right. So when you click on that, you're going to click on send me the application form. And I believe you're going to have to tell them the position that you are applying for. Here's what is required. So you're going to send them a paragraph of information about your skills and your experience, which country you are from and which country you live in. Let them know if you are an expert in any of the following: digital marketing, copywriting in English, telemarketing, WordPress development, graphic design, or video editing. So for other content creators out there who would like to, take up a little side job or so, this is your chance to try it out. If you are not, that's completely fine. I believe they're going to send you the general application form. I know yeah, here it is. General application form. That's what they do for other people who are not experienced in any of these. And as mentioned before, they pay in US dollars bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks. Now the next company, let's go over there. So this company, it is called 24/7 virtual assistant. So 24/7 VA. Now they are hiring globally for different positions. So you can work either full-time or part-time. Competitive pay rates. Now they don't tell you the exact pay, but persons that I do know who work with them have stated that you will get roughly 900 Jamaican dollars per hour, and that is way better than the call centers that are local. So they offer competitive pay rates based on your years of experience and skill proficiency. Regular payout, so your work is billed by the hour. We will pay your client verified hours weekly. So this company pays you weekly, and they offer free training, so you don't have to worry if it is that you don't have any form of experience. No, just to add to that, whether or not you have experience, there's a strong possibility that you will find work on here. Let me go ahead and scroll through. So you'd be working as a virtual assistant. You can apply for administrative positions, non-voice. So if you don't like the whole talking thing, you can apply for something like that. No, for their voice positions, you can apply as a real estate appointment setting virtual assistant, a regular appointment setting virtual assistant. You can do cold calling. You can do data entry, guys. And trust me, this company, I highly recommend this one specifically because I do follow them up. So I know that yes, they are seeking people from countries who the US dollar is strong in. So places like Jamaica, I know persons who are working for this company from Jamaica. And the reason why they really want people from Jamaica, India, Africa, and these smaller nations is because the dollar, what they want, they have US clients. And the dollar, the exchange rate, it is very good in these countries. So for example, $1 in Jamaica is 100, and $1 is 157 56 or 52 or something thereabout. So because they know that the dollar will be valuable, that is why they are seeking people from countries like ours to work for their US based clients. Let me show you what an application may look like when you go on it. All right, so this is one. So this company, they want outbound sales virtual assistants, and service required service, business support, entry level. Let me put it right there. So little to no experience, the minimum hours per week. So 10 hours, at least 10 hours you'll work. And let me show you here, this is a part-time position, so you don't have to worry. And you're going to work in Eastern Standard Time Zone. The shift is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. rather. The shift days is from Mondays to Fridays. And they are seeking one virtual assistant for this position. But guys, the thing is this, you'll see jobs on there every single day that you can apply for, so you don't have to worry about that. Once they realize that you have the skills that they are asking for, so look at this: application software knowledgeable required, Skype, email, Google spreadsheet. So want to work with this amazing client? Apply now and join the 24/7 virtual assistant, VA rather. Join the remote world. They have competitive rates. They pay weekly, annual rate increase based on your performance, paid time off like any other company, paid holidays like any other company, free training and upskilling, constant support and guidance from managers and mentors, a vibrant community always ready to support you, and more. When you go ahead and click on apply, you're going to take you to the application form. So you're going to submit your resume, full name, email, your phone number. If you are working with if you are working at a physical company or a remote company or whatever, you can go ahead and put it there. If you have any of these social media links that you'd want them to see, to show them that, hey, I'm a real person and this is who I am or whatever, you can go ahead and link those. Okay, so down here, they want your phone number if you hadn't placed it at the top, your Skype ID, the country of residence. So you're going to go ahead and select the highest level of education that you've attained. So if you only have a high school diploma, if you have your bachelor's degree, your master's degree, it does not matter. You are paid based on your experience and your qualifications. And then you are going to do some little system checks. So let me tell you now, you're going to fill out the application form. If they consider you, they're going to call you for an interview. They're going to request for you to do an interview with them. If you pass that interview, then they are going to request for you to do a training. Now, if you pass the training, then they're going to let you do a final interview. And then when you do that final interview, that is when they are going to tell you, congratulations, you are now a part of the team and you can start making money right away. Now, moving on to the next company. So this company, it is called Western Virtual Support Solutions, and they are seeking customer happiness associate. Now guys, if I'm not certain about anything, I am certain that they are seeking people from Jamaica to apply to them. And basically, the only requirements you basically need: excellent written and verbal communications, an understanding of electronics, so you know how to use your phone, you know how to use your computer. If you have any call center experience, that would be good for you, because you're basically used to this kind of stuff. If you don't, that is totally fine. As long as you know how to use and operate your computer, candidates must be highly motivated, personable, and able to work as a part of a team. Genuine enthusiasm, blah, blah, blah. Now, when you go ahead and click on apply, it is going to take you to this page. It is going to take you to this page. So you're going to fill in your name, your phone number, your email, whether or not you have a working computer. Do you have a high-speed internet connection? Yes. who is your internet provider, whether Digicel or Flow. And that is why I said I'm sure they are seeking people. Are you currently employed? If yes, where? Put the name of the company. Would your colleagues describe you as a tech savvy person? Reason for answer. Yes, because I often assist them with any errors they run into on their phone, or it is a case that they do not know how to use certain softwares. I am their go-to person. I am the person who usually do certain troubleshooting for presentations or so that requires the use of a computer or an electronic device. Why do you believe you are a good fit for this job? Because you have XYZ experience, XYZ years of experience, and you work in a similar role. You have been working in XYZ roles. So if you worked as an admin assistant at this, at that, you're right, that as well. And you possess the right interpersonal skills and you are tech savvy, you are this, you are that. Just give them some reasons. How do you manage conflicts or issues? So they are going to ask you about three or four so questions. So here are the activities. So one, two, just things that you just have to answer how you deal with the situations. And then they want to know how you sound. So, you don't have to fancy your voice or anything, but they want to know that you speak properly because you will be working with US based clients. So they want to know that you can twang properly. Yeah. And then you can go ahead and attach your resume and submit. And if chosen, yes, you'll hear from them within 48 hours if chosen. Now, guys, these are just a few of the jobs that I have for you. I hope this video is not too long. Now, if you like this video, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bells. Until next time, I am out. Bye.